Hey there fitness enthusiasts, today we're diving into the ultimate home resistance training kit, your all-in-one solution for a full-body workout right at home. This premium quality exercise equipment includes a bodyweight resistance training strap, 2 extension straps, 2 exercise bands with handles, soft foot cradles, a door anchor, an instruction guide, and a convenient drawstring travel bag. Crafted with durable 4-fold sewing and grip-proof TPR handles, these workout straps can withstand up to 600 pounds of body weight and over 1,000 pounds of resistance, making them perfect for all fitness levels. Whether you're targeting your arms, legs, chest, shoulders, abdomen, back, or buttocks, this versatile kit offers a comprehensive strength resistance training experience without the need for expensive gym memberships. Made from high-quality polyester fiber and heavy-duty nylon, the ultra-sturdy exercise straps and memory sponge door anchor ensure long-lasting performance and safety. With an easy-to-adjust one-buckle system, you can set up your portable gym indoors or outdoors, using horizontal bars, doors, beams, or even trees for a versatile workout experience. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.